Before starting this video, I would like to share something with you on this herb. This herb is famous as Amor Lota. Amor means immortal, and if you cut this herb and keep it inside your room for 1 year, it does not die, and on planting it after 1 year, it will start growing, hence the name immortal, and believed to keep the angels young forever. This stem of this herb is sun-dried and crushed into powder, and often mixed with chickpea powder and eaten to cure diabetes completely. Recently I have come across some people who are consuming it and are completely cured from diabetes. The oldest remedies known to mankind are herbal medicines, and Ayurvedic treatment is one of the most trusted herbal remedies till date. Before starting my video, do you know that around 70,000 plant species have been used for medicinal purposes, and India recognizes more than 2,500 plant species having medicinal value, Sri Lanka around 1,400, and Nepal around 700. In this video sharing 2 herbal plants. At first showing you the Euphorbia hirta, also known as asthma plant, Dudhi, and Gujarati bon. It is a very common annual hyspid herb, with milky latex, and hence its name Dudhi, which means milk. This herb is often used traditionally for female disorders, respiratory ailments, like cough, coryza, bronchitis, and asthma, worm infestations in children, dysentery, jaundice, pimples, gonorrhea, digestive problems, and tumors. All herbs are more or less toxic, and there are many other species of Euphorbia which are used in traditional medicines. All species of Euphorbia exudes a milky juice when broken, which is more or less poisonous, and used as an ingredient in arrow poisons. It is primarily used as a medicinal herb due to its unique chemical structure and powerful effects on the body. It has been used traditionally for thousands of years, and modern research is still being conducted to fully understand all the chemical pathways that this herb can affect. All parts of the plant are used for specific ailments, depending on the ailment. People suffering from breathing problem used to crush the whole plant and rub on the chest to get instant relief from breathing problem. Studies have revealed that it contains alkanes, triterpenes, phytosterols, tannins, polyphenols, and flavonoids. Some of the health benefits of Euphorbia hirta are, it impacts the immune system in a number of ways, but one of the popular traditional uses is the leaves of the herb are used in conjunctivitis. By using the leaves and flowers of the plant, a decoction could be made that soothe eye infections and reduce the signs of conjunctivitis. This treatment is still in use today. This herb can quickly neutralize toxins and reduce inflammation, and is used during a snake bite. It is also used to eliminate parasites and intestinal worms. This is one of the most effective herbal remedy for soothing bronchial irritation, asthma, sore throats, chronic coughing, and bronchitis. It is very effective in treating venereal diseases and urinary tract infections. Since ancient time, this milky herb has been used as sexual stimulant to increase libido, boost fertility, and to treat premature ejaculation. It is also used to treat dysentery and can restore bowel movements to normal. A solution is prepared from the herb and used to treat boils, wounds, burns on skins. It can stimulate the regrowth of new cells and speed up the healing process on skins. Do remember, all herbs are more or less toxic, and normally herbs should not be consumed by pregnant women. This plant is known as Achlabia, and maybe in English Clerodendrum indicum, which bears red flower. Clerodendrum species is an erect, less branched plant, and grows between 1.5 meter to 4 meter tall. The roots of this plant are used in asthma, epilepsy, lung problem, painful swelling of gum, bronchitis, and other respiratory problems. The leaves are bitter in taste. The root of this plant is stomachic, expectorant, anti-inflammatory, anti-bronchitis, febrifuge, hence useful for asthma, cough, scrofulous affections, epilepsy, painful swelling of gum, and even typhoid. The root increases appetite and lowers fever. The leaves and roots are used externally to treat tumors and certain skin diseases. While recording this plant, the flower was just about to bloom flowers of red colors. This video is for information purpose only and may not be treated as any kind of medical advice. Herbs should not be consumed without proper knowledge.